Hello and welcome to our open access 3D media library for creatives, a resource for creatives by creatives that's all about bringing ideas to life in 3D. I'm Erica.
And I'm Grace. We're design students at Ohio State. We're also a part of the creative team behind this project. You will hear our voices and see our work throughout the videos in this library.
We know lots of creatives, designers, artists, and makers have found a reason to enter the world of 3D modeling. And if you're like us, you probably spent endless time scrolling through content online to find something relevant to your creative project. We found lots of existing content to be overly technical and software specific.
So we set out to build something different, something creatives like us would find useful. Our 3D media library has 3 key features.
1. Short videos that introduce specific 3D modeling techniques using animations, screen captures, and easy to understand language. 2. Strategy videos that show how separate 3D modeling techniques come together to create a complex object. And 3. A thoughtfully assembled resource guide curated by creatives and referencing the best 3D modeling content across the internet.
We imagine our audience will kickstart their 3D creative project using our videos, then use our resource guide to effectively find the right technical content as needed.
It's your best first stop on the way to 3D modeling anything. Although viewers will notice we use Gravity Sketch on the MetaQuest and Autodesk Fusion 360 in our videos, our vision is that you will be able to apply the skills you learn here in any modeling software.
Also, while you find our videos here on YouTube, even more content like our resource guide is available for free on our project website. See the link below.
We want to say a special thank you to the Affordable Learning Exchange at Ohio State, whose funding made our project possible. Also, thanks to the Department of Design at Ohio State, our design cohorts, and our project lead, Assistant Professor Will Nickley.